Good morning, everybody. Chuffy's having his cheese sandwich. Skipper, you hear me? Turn your face. Skipper! Oh, you are rude to me. Hello? I see you. How are you? Oh, hello. How you going, my baby girl? Coming for a pat? Come on then, quick. Gotta make this quick. Run, 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 run. Big jump. Down, 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 down. Come. How you going, my baby girl? How are you? How are you? I can't pat you for long because I've got to go and do a video. Meow meow. Right. There's Peter doing his thing. Morning, Peter. Now, baby's home for the Christmas holidays while his family's away. And they were wondering if I could give him a bath because he always seems quite dirty. Why are you dirty, baby? Why is it you're dirty at the minute? Shall we have a look why you're dirty? What you got, buddy? Have you dug a bit of a hole? Because it looks like you've moved a lot of earth. Baby? Hello? Hey. 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 Where is it? Baby. Baby. Hello? Baby? I know you're busy. Hello? Baby? Baby, come out. Hello? Baby? Will you stop digging your hole for a minute? Hey? I know you hear me. You're just too busy to stop and say hello. Well, this is why you're a filthy, filthy bird. Yes, Chuffy wants some attention now. Ugh. What are you doing, Fred? Where are you? Hello. How are you? Baby. Baby ringneck over there. Quite a handsome young fella. Hello, Ginger. Can I have a kiss? How are you? Hey. Give me a kiss. Oh, you are mean to me. Oh, you're so mean. Hey, you're my girl. Yes, you are. You are my little girl. Jabberjaw's out and about this morning. Jabberjaw! Jabberjaw! I see you. Don't pretend you don't see me. Oh, you're all mean. Bruce is in her box, waiting for a new husband. There we go. How are you? Are you well? Oh, your feathers are almost grown out. You're going to be flying around in a couple of weeks. Yay! Show me yay. Show me yay! Come on then. What? Come on. Well, come on. You happy? Oh, all right. All right. Hello, Bruce. Do you need a husband? Hey? Oh, you need a man. I can't be that man, baby. Sorry. Hello, sweetheart. Alright, it's probably too long already. 5 minutes or so, but... Hello, Ginger. Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you want to come up? I doubt it. You never want to come up. Do you want to come up? Do you want to come up? You don't have to. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss and I'll call it even. Last chance, coming up. Okay. Alright, baby, I gotta go. You're not concerned about a cave-in, like, are you bracing that at all? Have you got a canary down there to check the air? What's the go? Oi, filthy boy. Single-minded. Alright, that should do it. Hello? That's not you, Bruce, is it? Oh, it is. Oh, you've come out for a pat. Oh, you're so pathetic. You are pathetic. What do you need, Bruce? You just need somebody to love. Chuffy wants some attention. Oh, you are funny bunny. Yes. Oh, you're my baby girl. Yes, you are my baby girl. What, Ginger? Can I help you? Did you think you might be missing out on something? Yes, you did. You thought you were missing out. I gotta go, baby. We've got a 7-minute video. How am I going to cut that down? Bye-bye.